Hi everyone. In the previous video, we have seen how to use if function in order to calculate the result, that is pass or fail for one particular subject. Now, in this video, we will look how to use AND function along with if when you have multiple conditions to be satisfied. So we have a result sheet here, and in front of each and every student, 5 subjects along with their scores have been mentioned. And we need to know whether the student is passed in all these subjects, or if he is failing at least in one subject, that is scoring less than 40 marks, he should be having the result displayed as fail. So how you can do it? You have to use the formula first. If here, bracket open. Now in this logical test, you have to use AND function. The first logical test is this value should be greater or equal to 40, comma. Second, this value should also be greater than or equal to 40. Third is this subject number 3 should also be greater than or equal to 40, comma. Fourth subject should also be greater than equal to 40, and the fifth subject, that is G8 number cell, should be greater than or equal to 40. So these values all should be above 40, then only it should be displayed as pass. Else, if it is false, it should be fail. Enter. So as you can see, all these values are above 40. It has displayed pass. In order to calculate for the complete range using autofill, now for the second row, as you can see, this is greater than 40, but this is less than 40. This is less than 40. Hence, it shows fail. Now, if I change these values to more than 40, automatically it takes pass. Hope it helps. Thank you everyone.